A trip to America offers a diverse array of experiences, from exploring vibrant cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago to discovering natural wonders such as the Grand Canyon, Yellowstone, and the Rocky Mountains. The country is vast, with each region offering its own unique culture, cuisine, and attractions. Whether you're interested in history, outdoor adventures, world-class entertainment, or simply soaking in the diverse landscapes, a trip to America provides endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Join us to get to know the most attractive states of America. The first state. He is the king of the American states. New York City. New York City is one of the most iconic and dynamic cities in the world, known for its towering skyscrapers, vibrant neighborhoods, and rich cultural scene. Often called the city that never sleeps, it offers endless attractions, from the bright lights of Times Square to the tranquility of Central Park. The city is a global center for finance, fashion, art, and entertainment, home to Wall Street, Broadway, and world-class museums like the Metropolitan Museum of Art and the Museum of Modern Art. Visitors can explore diverse neighborhoods such as Chinatown, Little Italy, and Harlem, each offering unique cultural experiences and cuisine. The Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island stand as enduring symbols of freedom and immigration. NYC's public transportation system, particularly the subway, makes it easy to navigate its 5 boroughs: Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, and Staten Island. The city's energy, diversity, and endless opportunities for exploration make it a must-visit destination for travelers from around the globe. Ohio is another beautiful American state. Oahu, often called the Gathering Place, is the most visited of the Hawaiian Islands, known for its unique blend of natural beauty, history, and modern attractions. The island is home to Honolulu, the state capital, where you can explore iconic Waikiki Beach, a hub for surfing, shopping, and dining. Just a short drive away is Pearl Harbor, a historic site where you can visit the USS Arizona Memorial and learn about World War II. Oahu's North Shore is world-renowned for its legendary surf breaks, drawing surfers from around the globe, especially during the winter months. The island also offers stunning natural landscapes, from the volcanic crater of Diamond Head, which provides panoramic views of the city, to the lush Manoa Valley with its serene waterfall hike. Oahu's diverse culture is reflected in its vibrant art scene, traditional Hawaiian luau's, and a fusion of culinary delights. Whether you're interested in adventure, history, or relaxation, Oahu offers a rich and varied experience that captures the essence of Hawaii. The third place you must visit is Las Vegas. Las Vegas, known as the entertainment capital of the world, is a city that dazzles with its bright lights, luxury resorts, and endless entertainment options. Located in the heart of the Nevada desert, Las Vegas is famous for its iconic Strip, a stretch of road lined with extravagant casinos, world-class shows, and themed hotels like the Bellagio, Venetian, and Caesar's Palace. The city offers something for everyone, from high-stakes gambling and vibrant nightlife to gourmet dining by celebrity chefs and shopping in designer boutiques. Beyond the glitz and glamour, visitors can explore nearby natural wonders like the Grand Canyon and Red Rock Canyon, or take a ride on the High Roller, the world's tallest observation wheel. Las Vegas is also a popular destination for weddings and conventions, adding to its diverse appeal. With its unique blend of luxury, excitement, and over-the-top experiences, Las Vegas is a must-visit destination for those seeking adventure and entertainment. New Orleans is our next location. New Orleans, often called the Big Easy, is a city renowned for its rich cultural heritage, vibrant music scene, and distinctive cuisine. Located along the Mississippi River in Louisiana, the city is a melting pot of French, Spanish, African, and Creole influences, which is reflected in its architecture, food, and festivals. The French Quarter is the heart of the city, known for its historic buildings, lively bars, and the famous Bourbon Street, where music pours out of every doorway. New Orleans is the birthplace of jazz, and live music can be heard throughout the city, especially in clubs along Frenchmen Street. The city is also famous for its annual Mardi Gras celebration, a lively carnival filled with parades, costumes, and revelry. Culinary delights like beignet, gumbo, and jambalaya are must-tries, with the city's diverse food scene offering a true taste of its multicultural roots. With its unique blend of history, music, and southern charm, New Orleans offers an experience unlike any other, making it a beloved destination for travelers seeking both excitement and culture. And lastly, I suggest Nashville. Nashville, often referred to as Music City, is the heart of the country music industry and a vibrant hub of American culture. Located in Tennessee, Nashville is home to the iconic Grand Ole Opry, a historic venue that has hosted legendary country music artists for decades. The city's downtown area is lively, with Broadway Street lined with honky-tonk bars, live music venues, and neon lights, where you can hear aspiring musicians and established stars perform daily. Nashville is also home to the Country Music Hall of Fame, which celebrates the genre's history and influence. Beyond music, the city offers a rich culinary scene, famous for hot chicken and southern comfort food. Historic sites like the Parthenon, a full-scale replica of the ancient Greek temple, and the Belle Meade Plantation provide a glimpse into the city's past. With its warm southern hospitality, thriving art scene, and deep musical roots, Nashville is a dynamic city that attracts visitors from all over the world. And introduce a place at the end of the video.